Why are cyber insurance rates rising and what can you do about it? In this mid-year market report, we're going to break down exactly why rates are going up and what you and your business can do to make sure that you're not overpaying for your cyber insurance. Let's go. Hi, Ryan Hanley here, founder and president of 𝗧𝗵𝗂 𝗥𝗶𝘀𝗪, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. If you're watching this on YouTube, please just tap that like button for us. That helps other business owners, business professionals like yourself find this video if the content is valuable. Thank you. Okay, so let's get down to cyber insurance. So first and foremost, what you're seeing across the board in renewals is somewhere between a 50 to 100% increase in cyber insurance rates. That is not good. Everything is more expensive today. Inflation is out of control and our margins are shrinking when it comes to our business. And another increase in terms of something like cyber insurance just eats into that margin, which is not good, right? It's not healthy for your business. It hurts. And here's the thing that I'm going to push you for though. Even though you're seeing these rate increases, please do not drop your cyber insurance. Please do not think of cyber insurance as a luxury. It is not. This is one for many of the businesses that we work with at 𝗧𝗵𝗂 nationwide. We're starting to see more exposure from a cyber perspective than from a general liability perspective. Like general liability is third party, slips, trips, and falls, property damage, stuff like that. Cyber insurance is becoming a much larger exposure, considering many businesses have tailored down their in-person, either whether it's office exposure or even if you do run a retail store, you're just getting less foot traffic. Now take into account that every second of every day, your web property is being pinged by malicious bots trying to find weaknesses, trying to find email addresses, trying to find links, trying to find anything they can use to either impersonate you, to take hold of your systems, to get information out, either your client's information or your employees' information every day. It doesn't matter how robust your business is. It doesn't matter if it's a small local Main Street business, a middle market size business, or an enterprise. There are cyber criminals coming after you all day, every day. Okay. That massive increase in attacks is a large part of this, right? There's just a ton of businesses that while they have cyber insurance, they don't have the proper security. They're not using managed service providers. They don't have multi-factor authentication. And because of those things, they're very vulnerable. They're getting attacked. And there's been a ton of claims, a lot of losses. Losses are a big part of this. This isn't just, everything's going up in cost. Insurance always gets up in cost. Those are kind of the cliche things you hear. When it comes to cyber insurance, a big part of it is there are just a massive number of losses, and the losses are going up and up because businesses are being attacked every single day. If you don't have cyber insurance, you're putting your business at a severe risk. I don't even know how to communicate that via video in a way that doesn't sound like I'm yelling at you all at the same time, capturing my sincerity in how important it is that you have cyber insurance today. So what can you do? First, put the proper systems, put the proper security checks, do the proper trainings, right? So what does that look like? At a base level, multi-factor authentication to get into your various systems. Do some simple training on what phishing looks like. There are third-party vendors that you can use that test, testing on your employees to make sure that they're not clicking on links that they shouldn't do, phishing scams. Work possibly with a managed service provider who can help you set up all these systems, who can help you set up the trainings, who can make sure there are the least number of vulnerabilities as possible. And what I hear on the flip side is, Ryan, well, if I do all those work, do I actually need cyber? Yes. If you can walk the tightrope, but cyber is the safety net. Anything can happen and you can have a loss. Like you could have the most tightest security system in the history of the world, and an attacker or a hacker can attack and get into your system somehow, or one employee clicks on one bad link. It's just too easy today for cyber criminals to get access to your information, your client's information, to use your systems for malicious denial of service attacks or whatever. I'm not trying to scare you, but just the big thing with cyber is attacks are happening. They're happening all the time. You need to have cyber insurance. So how do you keep your rates low? Put in all the proper systems, security, whatever. Second, find a broker that you trust. We'd love for it to be 𝗧𝗵𝗂. If it's not, that's okay. But find a broker you can trust and have them work the market. You don't want to hit multiple brokers because then there's no leverage point. One broker that you trust who can leverage the various markets, pick and choose which carriers are going to be able to offer you the coverage you need at the best price. That's what you can do. Keep working, my friends. If you want to work with us, we would love the opportunity to be your cyber insurance agency. You can call us 518-960-6600. You can email us at gorogue@roguerisk.com. You can visit us online at roguerisk.com, or I'm sure there's a link or a button somewhere around this video that will let you contact us. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.